mic under $1,000. The number of high-quality condenser microphone under $1,000 has exploded over the last several years, with a new manufacturer and legacy manufacturers introducing models perfectly capable of producing studio sound recordings. If you're looking to find the one for you, our guide will help you. So let's start by number 1. RØDE NT1-A. The RØDE NT1-A 1-inch cardioid condenser microphone has become an industry standard, delivering the warmth, extended dynamic range, clarity, and high SPL capability typically only features on some of the most expensive microphones. With a self-noise level of only 5 dBA, it is widely recognized along with the NT1 as one of the most quietest studio microphones. The low noise makes it an ideal for vocal microphones as well as perfect for recording guitars and percussion. Number 2. Blue Spark SL. Spark SL brings legendary Blue studio sound and versatility to your recording space, producing stunning recordings for vocals, guitars, drums, pianos, and more with Spark SL detailed, transparent sound and versatile high-pass filter and 20 dB pad. Whether starting a new studio or expanding your mic locker, Spark SL is ready to ignite your creativity. Number 3. AKG Pro Audio C214. The AKG C214 large diaphragm microphone is a premium-grade condenser microphone designed for multiple recording applications. The microphone utilizes a high-end 1-inch capsule with an integrated suspension for an optimal audio performance. The resulting sound is powerful with natural tones. Capturing every nuance of your sound audio is great detailed. The versatile design is suitable for everything from vocal performance to capturing drum, overheads, and electric guitars. Number 4. Blue Yeti Pro. The Yeti Pro is the world's first USB microphone combining 14 bits by 192 kHz digital recording resolution with the analog XLR output, featuring 3 custom condenser capsules and 4 different pattern settings. The Yeti Pro can capture digital audio with up to 4 times the clarity found on CDs. Plus, the Yeti Pro features a cutting-edge AD converter chip and a separate analog circuit path for use of professional studio mixer and preamps. Number 5. Sennheiser E945. Sennheiser E945 series delivers uncompromising result for the demanding professional, featuring high specialized vocal and instrument microphones. The series delivers finely calibrated natural sound that's defined, high dynamic, and rich in details. Conceived as a calibrated family, these high-end microphones combine unparalleled sound quality, superior feedback rejection with unmatched reliability, introducing a 10-year warranty. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.